When someone near you yawns, it's like a signal that you're all part of a group, and your brain responds by yawning right back. There are still many mysteries surrounding why we yawn, but next time you catch yourself yawning, remember, it's your body's unique way of staying refreshed, cooling your busy brain, and connecting with the people around you. Isn't science fascinating? If you like this explanation, you can subscribe our channel. When you give likes, we get motivation to create more videos.